Our cable rail installation starts with planning the railing frame and cable runs. For this video, we have built a set of stairs with structural posts that are at the recommended maximum of 6 feet apart. We are using a wood intermediate picket between the posts so that there is no more than 3 feet between vertical members. Our cable run is 7 feet, so we will be using 10-foot cable rail kits for wood railings. To calculate the number of cable rail kits required, we need to find the height of the railing frame opening. Measure the distance between the top and bottom rails. The height of our railing opening is 29 inches. We recommend spacing the cables no more than 3 inches apart. We will need a total of 9 cable rail kits. For details on all railing frame options, please visit our website. Be sure to consult local building codes for any special requirements for cable infill in your area. In this video, we will be using 1/8-inch cable rail kits for wood railings, available at many local building suppliers. 1/8-inch cable rail kits are perfect for all residential and light commercial projects. These prefabricated kits are sold in 5-foot increments at lengths from 5 feet to 70 feet. Each kit has a threaded terminal end which has been permanently attached to the cable with a special hydraulic press. The kit includes a snug grip washer nut and flat washers, as well as a quick connect inset fitting for the other end of the cable. In this video, we are using dome-style stainless steel end caps to cover, protect, and provide a finished look to the cable rail installation. End caps are available in other styles and are sold separately. We will also need beveled washers for the threaded termination post holes and protector sleeves for the quick connect post. Make sure you have all your cable rail kits and accessories before you begin installation. You will also need the following tools: tape measure, safety glasses, work gloves, pencils, hammer, vice grip pliers, 7/16" wrench, cable rail cable cutters, square, cable release tool, Feeney cable lacing needle, Feeney tension gauge, electric drill, drill bits, drill guide, electric grinder with cutoff disc and grinding disc. Using the measurement we took when calculating the number of assemblies, we will now mark drill holes on all posts. Drill bit sizes vary based on the diameter of cable and the type of fittings you are using. In our installation, we're using 1/8-inch cable with standard quick connect inset and threaded terminal fittings. We'll need 3 different drill bit sizes. A 1/4-inch drill bit will be used on intermediate posts and pickets and to pre-drill holes in the quick connect post. A 5/16" drill bit will be used on the threaded terminal post. A 3/8" drill bit will be used on the quick connect post. We start at the bottom stair post and drill angled 5/16" holes for the threaded terminal fittings. The angle we are using is the same as the slope of the stairs. Next, we drill 1/4-inch holes in the intermediate picket. You may also use one of our pre-drilled intermediate pickets as an alternative to the wood picket. At the quick connect post, first we through drill the post from the inside with the 1/4-inch drill bit. Then we counterbore with a 3/8" drill bit to the depth of the fitting. You can mark the length of the quick connect inset fitting on the bit before drilling the counterbore holes. Insert protector sleeves in level holes drilled for quick connect inset fittings and any other post where the cable transitions in a bend. Gently tap the protector sleeves in until they're flush. Protector sleeves prevent abrasion on the wood surface once the cables are tensioned. We are now ready to install the cables. Insert the threaded terminal into the bottom stair post hole and secure with a flat washer, a beveled washer, and a snug grip washer nut. The beveled washer provides a flat-bearing surface for the washer nut. Tighten the nut 2 to 3 full turns or until you feel resistance from the snug grip threads. Now we're going to lace the cable through the other posts. We recommend using the Feeney cable lacing needle for smoother threading through post holes. The lacing needle prevents the cable strands from snagging on the sides of the post holes. Lace the free end of the cable through all intermediate posts and pickets. Lace the cable through the quick connect termination post and remove the lacing needle. Now it's time to install the quick connect fitting. Cleanly trim the end of the cable. Slide a flat washer and the Quick Connect inset fitting onto the end of the cable and slide the fitting into the post. The special spring-loaded Quick Connect jaws only allow the fitting to slide in one direction and will automatically grip when the direction is reversed. If you make a mistake, don't panic. You can use our Quick Connect release tool. First, loosen the cable by removing the washer nut on the threaded terminal fitting. Then, at the Quick Connect post, use the release tool to disengage and remove or readjust the position of the Quick Connect inset fitting. After all cables have been laced, we take most of the slack out of the lines. Hold the Quick Connect inset fitting with one hand and pull the cable tight with the other. The jaws will automatically lock when you release the cable. When tensioning on longer runs of cable, you can use a pair of vice grip pliers and a block of wood for leverage to help pull more cable through the Quick Connect fitting. We are now ready to begin final tensioning of the cables. Return to the threaded terminal post and grip the hexagonal shaft of the fitting with a pair of vice grip pliers to keep it from spinning. Tighten the snug grip washer nut with a 7/16 inch wrench to adjust the final tension in the cable. The special snug grip threads prevent the nut from loosening. Be sure to follow the recommended cable tensioning sequence to help minimize stress on the railing frame and easily adjust uniform tension across all of the cables. Start at the center cable and alternate until all cables are tightened. We do not recommend using electric or pneumatic tools to tighten the snug grip washer nuts. If the nuts spin too quickly, there is a risk that the threads will heat up and seize. You may use a Feeney tension gauge to determine when you have tightened the cables enough. Trim the excess thread as close to the snug grip washer nut as possible. We are using an electric grinder with a cutoff disc, but you may use a hacksaw or electric reciprocating saw with a metal cutting blade instead. When using an electric grinder, be sure to protect the deck and surrounding surfaces from sparks or hot metal pieces that may fall. At the Quick Connect end, we're using the electric grinder again to remove excess cable that will impair the attachment of the stainless steel end cap. Get as close to the Quick Connect inset fitting as possible. We finished the cable rail installation with the dome-style stainless steel end caps. Snap them on over the exposed Quick Connect inset fittings and the snug grip washer nuts. Our reeling is complete. For questions about your installation, visit our website or call us toll-free at 800-888-2418. Send in your finished project photos for the chance to win big cash prizes.